Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about installing and setting up the Canon PIXMA MP470 software onto your Windows, Linux, or Macintosh computers. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and into Google, you want to search for Canon PIXMA MP470 support, and then you want to search for that. Best match will come back with Canon support for PIXMA MP470. Go ahead and open up that page here, and then just scroll down a little bit underneath software and drivers and expand that. And then underneath the third category here, there should be a file name that says My Printer. Select the download button for that. Once it's downloaded to our system, go ahead and open up that file to run it. If you receive a user account control prompt, make sure it's a verified publisher, Canon Inc., and select Yes. You can close out of the browser and then select Next and follow through with these on-screen directions that you see on my screen here, and then just select Continue. And if you want to create a shortcut on your desktop, you can for this utility. And hopefully you should be good to go at this point. If you're having any issues, you can come back into this utility and select Diagnose and Repair and walk through the on-screen troubleshooting guides to fix common connectivity problems. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.